Kia ora everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the Gorilla Pod 3K kit by Joby. And there's nothing super special about this box. It's literally just got the Gorilla Pod tucked inside there with some instructions. We don't need those though because we don't like reading. What you see is what you get with this product. It's got obviously 1, 2, 3 legs and they're super durable, and like you really have to work to bend these suckers. Like that is going to grip a tree just fine. And the reason why I wanted one of these is because every great YouTuber has one. No, I'm just kidding. The reason why I wanted one of these is because they fit so nicely tucked into your backpack, and what I'm doing is I'm building out a little kit to go traveling down to Queenstown in a couple of weeks. And the beauty of this Gorilla Pod, I know you saw it, I'll make a video about this, don't you worry. The beauty of this Gorilla Pod is it attaches so nicely to the front of my little travel backpack. So I love that. I love that I've got a tripod on my travels and it doesn't take up heaps of space in my bag. The other reason why I really like this version is because this is the version that comes with this little ball head and level on top. And the nifty thing about it is if you push this at the back, that level just comes straight out. And it's awesome because you can just stick it somewhere and get a quick level and your shot is gonna look nice and flat. The other thing that's really cool about this ball head is you've got this like real quality dial on the side here. Spinny dial thing, spin, 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 and this guy is gonna move around real fluidly. It's also got this little cut out here so that if you were attaching it, say onto a tree, you could, you know, set your shot and you're gonna get that right angle. There are two different versions. And it's real important to note. So one version of this 3K kit is just gonna come with the tripod stand and it looks just like that. The other version is gonna come with this ball head, and I would highly recommend you get the version that has the ball head. You're gonna be able to get way more shots and you're not gonna have to like really bend this thing to get the shot, like if you're doing one of those like classic kind of vlogging, you know, set up shots. I think we would be doing everyone an injustice if we just sat here in the room and we didn't go attach this to a tree or something in the backyard. So let's go. Bye studio. So here's what it looks like if you're just holding it out at arm's length in front of you. What I'm using at the moment is my Lumix 20 to 60 millimeter zoom lens, and that's a fantastic focal length for if you're vlogging. I'm not gonna lie about it, it is quite heavy, like my arm got a bit sore just now. But if you're into vlogging and if you're into getting that like kind of background separation that we've got going on, this is the setup that you're looking for. What this means is that you can get a variety of different shots and also a variety of different settings to make your videos look interesting. All right, so we're outside now, we're out in the backyard. I've had to crank up my aperture because it's super bright out here, but I wanted to introduce you guys to someone. You're one of my best friends. This is Harley. Hello puppy. This is our border collie. She's lovely. She struggles with anxiety, terrified of thunder, but she's a good girl. It's where she likes to hide, just up in the bushes there. But anyway, let's let's hang this thing on a pole or on a tree or something and see how it does. So where I'm gonna hang it is actually like up there. It's honestly just incredible. Like I'm actually only using 2 of the legs and I've hooked it around that little wooden beam that you saw before. It is so secure, like I'm not worried even a little bit that it is gonna fall off and smash on the ground. So obviously for that shot there, I'll have to turn it upside down in post because the shot will be upside down, but it's real easy just to rotate that 360 degrees. And I think one of the things I love the most about it is like how creative can you get? Like I never would have thought about sticking my camera inside of my kid's little cylinder thing in the playground. So yeah, I think for vlogging, like this thing is a must. It is so awesome, it is so versatile. You're getting a tour of my backyard. Look, insulation. So great. Let's try something real weird. Let's put it in a swing. This is what it looks like if you're swinging it in a swing. So lost my mind a little bit on that one. I'm sorry about it, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, honestly, my first impressions of this is it's awesome. I've always wanted one, 100%. Go out and get one. Make sure you've got the little ball head on the end of it though. So there you go, field tested. The only thing that I will say is that you will need something to tighten. Did you see that? You will need something to tighten that little screw there. So I've got this pocket knife, which is one of the most hilarious pocket knives I've ever seen. What kind of pocket knife comes with an axe? Moana Road. I'll put a link in the description if you want just the most aggressive, oh man, the most aggressive macho pocket knife in the world with a saw. I'll put a link in the description, and it's also got a pair of pliers and a hammer. Alpha pocket knife right there. You will need a flathead screwdriver just to make sure that it's nice and secure. But you can see, like, I've just attached it to a few things so the baubles get a little bit warped and bent, but that's what the Gorilla Pod is all about. Should you get one of those? 100%. I regret not getting one of these earlier. So you might find a link into the description down below. You can support the channel by using my link. It'll be an affiliate link. I'll try and find one of those for you. Otherwise, just search up Joby Gorilla Pod 3K. Buy it at your nearest camera store. So that's it for this week's video. The next video I think I'll do is I'll have a little deep dive into this guy, this little backpack by K&F Concept, and strap in for a future video where I unbox this bad boy, the Rode Video Wireless Pro. If you're excited about that, think about liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Ka kite.